If I were teaching this class 5 years ago, I might sit here and tell you that a paid strategy on social media is not worth your time. Organic reach was booming. Businesses and brands were seeing a ton of organic engagement and success with social media without using any sort of paid ads. But the fact of the matter is, in 2017, even a small paid strategy will help businesses reach new customers because of the increasingly decline in organic reach on social media. So, this paid strategy is meant for beginners. It's a great starting point for anybody looking to dive into the paid strategy world. And I'd love to give you some key tips on things you can do to start with as low as even $1 or $5 per day. So why invest in a paid strategy? Well, one of the biggest benefits of investing in paid advertising on social media is the ability to reach new customers and potential customers that might buy your product or interact with your page. Another really great option for advertising is the fact that you get more data than you would with organic posting. Things like cost per click or cost per acquisition are all available through the ad platforms that you choose to advertise through. What this does is allow you to get information that you might not usually have about your customers. Things like where they're coming from, where they're clicking from, their interests and demographic abilities is all available through the advertising platform like Facebook or Instagram or Twitter or LinkedIn. If you're looking to get started with paid advertising, Facebook and Instagram offer a low-cost way to test out ads and really hone in on the strategy. I have a 5-step paid advertising strategy that I'd love to share with you that'll help you get started today. At the heart of this 5-step paid strategy is the fact that you're not creating posts necessarily to advertise. What you want to do is focus on creating great content that you think would perform well organically, and then using this paid strategy to really boost those results as an added bonus. But the first step is to do that. So what you want to do is create a post, let it go organically for at least 24 hours to see how it performs. The second step is to look at your insights and identify the posts that are performing best. Third, you're going to want to find an audience that should see these posts. A lot of times with organic reach declining, a lot of your audience that might benefit from your organic content just might not be seeing it. So identify a target audience that should be seeing these posts is the third step. Next, you're going to want to go ahead and throw just a little bit of money behind it to see how it performs as a boosted post. You can start at something as low as $5 a day. You can boost a post or create an ad. And this is going to help you start to identify the top performing organic posts that perform well as either a boosted post or an ad. After these boosted posts or ads have been running for just maybe a day or so, you're going to start to see some of these paid advertisements perform better than others. What you can do is identify a low cost per click or cost per engagement post that you've been running, and then start to put a little bit more money behind those. The theory behind that is that you're getting more bang for your buck with those advertisements, and those are the ones that are great candidates for continuing to run as long as possible, or even creating variations of those for more organic posts that you can then piggyback into more boosted posts in the future. If you're wondering what metrics to look at for great candidates for boosted posts, you're going to want to first identify the goal. So if your goal is to drive engagement or brand awareness to your social media content, then obviously you're going to want to look at engagements like likes, comments, or shares. And if your goal is to drive traffic to your website, you're going to want to look at metrics like clicks to posts. That will give you a good start for identifying the posts you want to boost. The other thing you're going to want to look at with boosted posts is the amount of negative feedback you're getting on all of your social media posts. Those are the ones you might want to be careful with when boosting, and also the ones to help you identify future content to avoid. And if you're wondering what size budget makes Facebook or Instagram or any of these advertising platforms worth it, I'd say any budget that you have is definitely a great option for you to start with. I've said it before, but something as low as $1 or $5 per day will help you at least get a feel for what advertising can do for your own social media channels, and if it's something you'd like to invest more in the future. At the end of the day, if you're spending money on social media posts, it's pretty important to tie those back to real business objectives and results. And I'm not saying that's going to be easy, but what you can do is start to hone in directly on the stats from all of your social media boosted posts or advertisements. So showing to your boss or your manager or even to yourself exactly what performance each ad has and the result that it makes on your business is really key in, first of all, justifying what you're spending on ads currently, and also justifying spending more on those ads in the future.